Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Patashala video series where the mysteries of Linux and various cloud technologies are unlocked and the secrets of its commands revealed to you. So let's embark on a thrilling journey wherein we would be discussing WC. Now WC stands for word count. Command line in Linux is used to display the number of lines, words and characters in a file or input from a pipeline. In simple words, command line tool that can be used to quickly get the information about the size of the file or the number of words in a text file. Examples are, if you want to get the number of characters that are there, number of lines, words and characters, so WC and the file name would give you a list of all the things. WC-L would give you a list of all the lines that are there. WC-W would give you a list of all the words that are there in the file. If you want to count the number of characters in a file, you could use the flag -m, and if you want to get a number of lines from multiple files, you could say WC-L and then a list of all the files that we have. So let's quickly look at the practical example of how this can be checked. So if you see, I have some files txt, and if you see that I have a file called as texting.txt, and this has some lines that are attached to this. What I can do is say WC-L and then give the name of the file, which would give me the number of lines that are there on the file. If I just say WC and then the name of the file, this would give me the number of lines that are there on the file, the number of words that are there on the file, and the number of characters that are there in this file. So this is how you would use WC-L. I could say WC-M and this file name, and this would give me a list of all the characters that are there on the file. If I want to get a list of all the words that are there on the file, I would say WC-W, and this would give me number of words that are there on this file. So this is about word count, a very useful tool to understand if you have downloaded or got all the list of entries that when you are copying it from one server to the another, and many others like this. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this short and quick video. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, request you to hit the subscribe button, which would encourage us to make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Keep having a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.